How is it?
Good.
Like it? What are you eating?
Cake.
Is it for your birthday?
Yeah, it's for my birthday. Big apple. Oh my big. I'm like crying. Mom, can we go to a restaurant tonight?
No, not tonight.
Why?
Got it? Can you get it?
Let's get up.
Happy birthday, Eli.
Good.